Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Williams. It is Monday, April the 27th. Most of this week, we're going to be looking at solving equations, and we will start with that work in our meetings on Tuesday. Before we get into that, we're going to work a little bit on finding the value of an equation using variables. Last week, we simplified expressions. This week, we're going to find the value of an equation. So the problems look a little bit like this. Number one, find the value of y when v equals 3. So they haven't given us a value for y. In the problems we did last week, they gave us a value for both variables. This time they only give us a value for one of the variables, and we have to find the value of the other variable. So if they tell us v equals 3, you substitute the 3 for the v, and then you're just going to add 3 and 10. So y is 13. And it's as simple as that. For the second one I have here, find the value of z when j is 18. This is j. So we're going to do z is equal to 18 minus 5, and 18 minus 5 is 13, so z is equal to 13. And then number 3, find the value of w when k equals 3. So w is equal to 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, so w equals 15. Okay, that type of problem is just as simple as that. I'm not going to show you anything else on this video. Today's work involves some practice of these types of problems in IXL, and I believe also some solving equations with decimals, which is a review from 5th grade, and some formative problems. All right, so good luck with these today, and I will see you in our meeting on Tuesday. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.